second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back.
Daihatsu will present the latest Copen concept at the 2023 Japan Mobility Show. The Copen is the only roadster car ever produced by Daihatsu, a manufacturer headquartered in Osaka, Japan. This car has a small design and a roof that can be opened. This car was first introduced in 1999 at the Tokyo Motor Show, but in concept form. Then, the Roadster was marketed for the first time in 2002. Two generations of Copen have now been produced. The first is coded L880 with an engine capacity of 660 cc. Then, the second generation is coded LA440 with the same engine and a more different design. In the near future, it is estimated that this series will get a new generation. Recently, Daihatsu announced that it would bring Vision Copen to the Japan Mobility Show 2023. Another interesting thing is that the Roadster has a similar design to the first generation.
I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back, no matter what they try.
Reporting from the Daihatsu website, Friday, October 6, the concept car is 3,835 mm long, 1,695 mm wide, 1,265 mm high, and has a wheelbase of 2,415 mm. The Vision Copen has the same round lights and grille as its predecessor. The rear of this car also has the typical appearance of a first-generation Copen. The convertible is equipped with an electric opening and closing roof. This compact roadster has a front engine layout with rear-wheel drive. Different from before, Vision Copen is reported to use carbon-free fuel, CN fuel. For the engine, Daihatsu has installed an engine twice as large as before, namely 1,300 cc. Thus, the driving power can exceed 63 horsepower. Daihatsu joins a number of other automotive manufacturers participating in the Japan Mobility Show 2023. Previously there were Mitsubishi and Honda, then Suzuki, which announced that it would present the latest all-terrain vehicle. Not to be left behind, the premium brand Lexus, a subsidiary of Toyota, will also introduce their latest generation concept electric vehicle at the event. This vehicle uses a modular body structure and is equipped with the latest battery, which reportedly can reach a distance of up to 800 kilometers.
Days, it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You